mwaka wa 2019 netuonete guko kwa Ngai.
You've done so much for me, I cannot tell it all.
Na nikyo kameme kayo kamwege Kameme TV manyitani na Forever Young Entertainment marako nyitoge ni thini wa The Mega Nyeri County Live Concert Korea Karatina Railway Grounds mwezi September. Oko kudio rwebone Shirowa GP, Lois Kim, Samido, Ben Gedai, Wakafura Joseph, Nelly Wamami, Naging. Igogona Nero ne Penta Mabati, The Haberland Limited, Petans Driving School, Sebe King Maidflower, Jordan College of Technology, Zinex Animal Feeds, Omega Hotel Karatina, Cascade Institute of Hospitality, Fine Tune School of Music, Deakin College, Taifa Sako, ne The Mega Nyeri County Live Concert, September mwe, Korea Karatina Railway Grounds. Igogona ni Kameme lekio moja kwa moja ni Kameme FM na Kameme TV. Kuigira ni free.